I don't know about you, but I have been waiting a long time for this brand new light. This is the Westcott FJ250 strobe, and I'm excited about opening up this box and seeing what's inside. So this is the new light that is now going to replace the FJ200. So obviously this is the 250. It is 250 watts compared to 200. But let's go ahead and open this up and let's take it out of the box. There we go. We'll get rid of all that plastic. But number one, it comes in this beautiful case, just like the FJ800 and 400s come in. And I always love these cases. They're just an incredible case. Very well built, well constructed. But when we open up the box, we're going to notice right inside the flap here really quickly. We'll open that up, and you know what is in here? I'm going to talk about that in a minute. These are gels, and I'm going to tell you something extra about these gels here in a minute. But the first thing I'm seeing is the strap. So if you want to carry the case around with a strap, the strap is in there. I'm going to put that off to the side. But what we want to look at right now is we want to look at the star of the show, and that is the actual light. This is the FJ250. You can see how much smaller compared to the FJ400 this light is. It looks like it's chopped off about a third of the size. But yeah, one of the nice things about this light is that it has the native Bowens mount, right? So that means all of my Bowens mount stuff modifiers will fit right on this light. I don't need to put any sort of extra modifying parts on there. It'll just go right in. So let's get rid of this little packing piece here. This is the reflective, or the magnetic reflector that comes with it, and that's why I said I wanted to hold off on this. If I open up in this package here, these are the different gels that come with it. So it looks like we've got maybe a CTO, a green, maybe a half CTO, and then a diffuser, and then a ring so we can make our own. But here's what's great about this is that the reflector is magnetic, so they just pop right on. So that is really super convenient when you're trying to use gels. So the gels, the Bowens mount, but here is one of the neatest things there is with this new light, the battery. This is the same battery that works on the FJ402s, it works on the FJ800, and now it works on the FJ250. Here's what's insane. 850 plus full power shots off of this battery. If you want to upgrade to the Pro Max battery, you're talking over 1,400 shots out of this one battery. So if you're like me and you already have some of the Westcott family of lights, guess what? When you take this light out or you take this light, you can just take all the same batteries and they're going to work no matter what. So if I just take along an extra battery, what is that? 1,700 plus shots. I don't think I could do 1,700 full power shots in a day. They also give you the speed ring for the switch octas. Man, this is really cool. This is so nice to not have to purchase another one. It comes with the kit there. And that just allows me to switch between different sizes of octaboxes and keep the Bowens mount plate on it. And then we also have inside the box is the charger. Again, I'm not going to open this up. This is the same charger that you charge the 800 battery, the 402 battery. And what a great thing, because when we're traveling, a lot of times you might leave a charger in a different bag. Now I don't have to take so many chargers because they all use the same charger. They're the same battery. So how cool is that? Before I go ahead and fire this up, let's go ahead and let's take it out and let's take a look at some other of the features. So let's go ahead and turn the light on just by pressing the button, tapping on that blue dot once it gets started, and it has started up. So really quickly it starts up. I love the fact now that it has this corresponding colored light. So what does that mean? That means when I have my trigger on and I've got a number of lights, or maybe I use this as a background light and I used one other light from one of the previous shoots, I can, without having to walk over to my light, if I can't read what channel it's on, all I have to do is look at the blue and say, oh, that's channel A, it's blue. If I were to switch that to, let's say, channel G, you'll see that it is kind of a purple color. If I put it on channel D, it's kind of this greenish color, and it corresponds with my trigger with that yellowish green color is channel D. So I know exactly, just matching the color to my trigger helps me immensely when I'm out in the field. It's just a cool way to know which light that I'm working on. I'm gonna go ahead and put that back to A. So as you just saw, this is a touch screen. So there's many times when I need to change the channel on my light, and I can do that now just by tapping, and I can quickly scroll to whatever. Let's say it's channel 25. Now I'm set. All I have to do now is hit the button to return back to my home screen. I'm ready to shoot. All right, so I'm not gonna deep dive into the light and all the features. If you're already in the Westcott family of lights, you're gonna find that it works very much like the rest of them. Again, I can't stress this enough, how great the battery is on this light. The fact that it is the same battery that my FJ402s take, the same battery that my FJ800s take, is phenomenal. And then to be able to get over 850 full power shots out of this Pro battery is simply amazing. If you have any questions on any of the Westcott equipment, go ahead and send us a message down below. We'd love to answer your questions, answer any kind of gear related questions you have, photography related questions. We'll do our best to answer. And if you're looking at buying new gear, hey, we've got codes that can help you save a little bit of money, so hit us up. Hey, this is Mark with Panoptic Photography reminding you, don't be lazy.